Hello, my name is Zoe and I work for the City of Canada Bay Libraries. Today, I will be showing you how to get started with the Ozobot kit that you've borrowed from the learning space in Rhodes. First, I would like to acknowledge the Wango people of the Eora Nation, the traditional custodians of the land on which we meet today, and pay my respect to the elders past, present, and emerging. Now, let's begin. In the kit, you will find your Ozobot, a USB cable for charging, some markers, a few activity templates, and instructions. Okay, what is an Ozobot? It's a mini robot that can do many things. It's the smallest one of its kind in the world. Can you imagine? You have the smallest robot in your hand. You have a power button on the side, and underneath it there are 5 openings. They have the sensors and 2 wheels to help with the movement. I really like this platform because it's for all ages. Even young kids can learn how to use Ozobot easily. And nowadays, we are having too much screen time. With Ozobot, you don't need a computer. You can just use pen and paper to start learn coding. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Now let's look at how to set up the platform. In the kit, you will find the calibration instruction sheet here. Grab it and put your Ozobot in the middle of the black dot. Hold the power button on the side. Press it for 2 seconds until it flashes white. And then leave it for another 2 seconds. Now your Ozobot moves forward and blinks green. It means that you've successfully done this step. If it blinks red, then you will need to start over again. Sometimes it takes a few times until your Ozobot to be successfully calibrated. Now your Ozobot is good to go. Let's look at how to do an activity together. Grab a black marker and draw a black line on a piece of paper. Your Ozobot needs a black line to start, and then you can fill in different colors in between. For example, I'm going to do blue, black, blue here. The line needs to be a consistent, a thick one, otherwise your Ozobot cannot recognize it. And your bot only recognizes these 4 colors: black, blue, green, and red. And then your bot needs a black line to finish. So between on the 2 sides, it must be black and black, so that your Ozobot can recognize the color code. Now let's see how it moves. Look, it drives along the line. Yay, you've made it. That's how you create a line for Ozobot. What else you can do with Ozobot? There are some fun activity sheets included in your kit. For example, you can find this maze here. Fill in the colors in the blank squares and help your Ozobot escape the maze. You can create your own maze, or even just do your drawing and let Ozobot accompany you to drive along your drawing. It will be lots of fun. This is a maze that I did. Now that you are set up and ready to go, and you can find a fun activity ready to download from the Canada Bay Calibrate website. We've also included links to other websites where you can find more activities and easy to follow instructions. We hope you enjoy your Ozobot kit.